Hello, Meherba and Namaste. I, Vishal Jadhav, would like to welcome you all on behalf of Government of Maharashtra, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, Magnetic Maharashtra 2.0, Crescendo Worldwide, and 125 million people of Maharashtra. It is my great privilege to welcome Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, Honorable Industry Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Subhash Desai, Mr. Anbalangan, CEO of MIDC, and Mr. Abhijit Ghorpade, General Manager of MIDC. I also want to welcome Turkish officials from OSTIM Organized Industrial Zone and ISIM Construction Machinery Cluster. Maharashtra, the largest economy and industrial state of India, contributing 15% of national industrial output, 14% national GDP, and attract 30% of India's foreign direct investment. The capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai, is economic capital of India. Maharashtra is blessed with abundant natural resources and has built a strong infrastructure for industries to flourish on this land. India and Turkey share deep historical and trade relations even before 1000 BC. Both countries have secular democracies, and today both are emerging economies in the world market and G20 partners. Turkey strategically has an excellent location sharing borders with Europe, Middle East and Asia, which makes it gateway to Europe for Indian companies. At the same time, India with 1.3 billion people market and gateway to Asia of around 4.6 billion consumers acts as a strategic location to have manufacturing as well as trading base to serve entire Asian continent. Mr. Erdogan, President of Turkey, visited India in 2017 and met India's Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Followed by this, the visit of Trade Minister Ms. Pekin in 2018 with a clear intentions of strengthening the bilateral trade and business relations between our two great nations. Keeping this in mind, we are eyeing towards increasing the bilateral trade to $25 billion by 2023. From today's Turkish attendees, we have already received a detailed investment plan from more than 20 Turkish companies. And I want to assure all Turkish companies who are willing to work with India in terms of trade and investment that two countries are perfect partners of each other. Speaking about the conference today, we will have continuous sessions by experts speaking about exciting opportunities and potential for Turkish companies in India, experiences of some of the leading Turkish companies who are already successful in Indian market, and will also speak on various ways of entering Indian market. Today's honorable speakers will enlighten participants on how to build a sustainable business in Indian market with import-export, trading, technology tie-ups, joint ventures, strategic alliances, R&D centers, delivery centers, as well as setting up greenfield and brownfield facilities in India. In tomorrow's session, we have organized B2B meetings between MIDC officials and Turkish companies. These meetings will help you in understanding best possible locations, government policies and support programs, ease of doing business for your specific industry. On behalf of Government of Maharashtra, MIDC and Crescendo Worldwide, we wish you all the very best. We also assure you of continuous support throughout the conference on your journey of investment and expansion in Maharashtra. Thank you very much and stay safe.